Alright guys, trying out the new camera today. Gonna see how this thing is. It looks like it stabilizes nice, like focuses, I'm seeing. Really nice so far. It is the Sony, I already forgot what it is. Anyways, 33 maybe. I'll put the description in there. So today we are doing some tail lights. I don't know how this mic is doing either. I may have to do a voiceover, so we'll see. So we got these guys, but we got these new ones. Ford GT style thing. It's gonna be sick, hopefully. I already did the front end conversion over here. Let's see it. So boom, did that. Did the splitter, or no, not the splitter. Splitter already came with it. This is the EcoBoost. I did the spoiler back here. It's pretty clean. So we're gonna change it up a little bit with these guys. Looks like it's from these guys. We got these guys right here. They just screw right off. I already did on this side, so I'll get on this side. Oreo here getting the last nut.
And I know what I'm doing. Oh, that's new. Oh.
Corey's currently getting them off. Woo! Yeah, you know, that's why they pay us the big bucks. That's how it was with the other ones, I think, right? It has a little space. We put some Ford GT lights on that Mustang. It's the EcoBoost Mustang. So potentially could be making some real power if the owner puts the right mods and puts a big turbo. Well, first it's 4 bolts to get the plastic undone, which I showed you guys. Then it's 1 clip on each side for the inside. Once you get that clip out, you can just pull the liner and you can just get to the 3 screws in that hold the headlight in, and then there's a clip on each side of the headlight. You just undo the clip, you're good to go, and you can slap in those Ford GT lights from American Muscle. I'll have the link in the description of the product itself. And again, stay classy. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, thumbs it up, whatever you want to call it.